Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with thebusinesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Wednesday the 14th of March. Happy Pi Day for all you mathematicians out there. It was definitely a good one for us. The market's opened in line, same as yesterday, closed basically, moved up a little bit and then just, fell and fell pretty well. What we did, we had one trade today and we had a maximum profit potential of a point and 3/4 or 7 ticks. Actual entry and exit, we had 2 points or 8 ticks. Basically, the way it went down, and it's not usual that I place trades like this, but I placed the trade, and I placed it with the full intention if it didn't go in my favor right away and went against me, I was going to add to it. I do that every now and then, not very often, but when I feel a strong conviction. And for the most part, those trades work out. Every now and then they won't, and when they don't, it's I'm able to make it back up. Usually on this day, it was kind of hard to read the market. It was very choppy. It went up, and when it came back down, it was choppy right here. Very, very, very choppy. And then it finally fell. We grabbed along, and, with the full intention of adding to it. I talked about that in the room, talked about it before I even entered, just to give everybody a heads up. Hey, this is what I'm doing. I added to it. It came right down to where I thought it was going to come down to. I had a couple levels in mind, and it popped right off of this level, which looked really, really good. I talked about that a little bit, and then you see in the aftermarket here, it actually did run up, and around 1 o'clock we were able to take our 115, 120. Actually, we were able to take the profit off. I talked about those levels being levels in the room, and I also sent out email too. But I just wanted to talk about that a little bit. I'm actually going to not post any results. It's going to be a zero trade. Is what I'm going to do. But that's basically what we did in the room. It's not very often that we actually have trades that last after the market. This one actually did, and it did work out. And if I'm going to calculate my losses outside of the market, you have to calculate the gains as well. But anyway, that is what happened. I'm not going to add anything to the results. I'm going to count it as a 0 day. Even though we did make money, it was out of the room, so it shouldn't count. So that's the way I'm going to do it. I think it's good. I know that everybody knew about the trade, but still it happened outside the room. Even though everybody knew everything, I'm still going to count it as a 0 day. But anyway, with that said, encourage everyone to stop by and check out the website at www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we focus on our S&P 500 futures market. It's my favorite market to trade, so I definitely have a lot of passion in that area. And our members share the same passion. It's definitely very cool to be able to talk about trading, and some days are a little more fun than others, but overall it is pretty awesome. We're doing some new things with the website. We're starting to do option trades, and they're more like swing trading options. We don't day trade them at all. But that's turned out to be a lot of fun as well. We're keeping up with that, posting the results as we take profit in them, and definitely having a lot of fun as well. We're also having a new course coming up, and it's going to be based upon how I find the option trades, and how I look, how I forecast longer term, and it should be pretty fun. But anyway, that's coming up. So you know, just keep checking back with the website if you're interested in something like that, or send me an email. Upper right hand side of the website, I have a contact form. So you can send me an email on that if you're interested, or like I said, just keep checking back with the site. Also, with that said, if you have any questions or comments, feedback, shoot me out an email. There's no such thing as a dumb question. There's only the question that hasn't been asked, and I truly believe that. When I was learning how to trade, I didn't have anybody to teach me, so I was actually learning and asking other people questions. And some of the people I was asking the questions to were actually doing worse than I was. Uh, in hindsight, I knew that. Not then. But some people, I'm sure, thought I was asking some stupid questions. I asked some questions which I kind of felt stupid asking. You know, but you have to learn somehow. And, the website is here for educational purposes. So if you have a question, shoot it out. Definitely, I do enjoy reading email and answering email and, meeting new friends. Whatever happens, it happens. But I do enjoy what I do. With that said, let's go into tomorrow, look at the news. And tomorrow, that's actually today. Let's go to tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is loading very, very slowly. Hopefully that's okay. Here we go. 8:30 in the morning. We have PPI month over month, looking for 0.5%. Prior reading was 0.1%. Also, unemployment claims, big number. Looking for 357. Prior reading was 362. A little less important, we have core PPI 8:30. Looking for 0.2%. Prior reading was 0.4. Also at 8:30, Empire State Manufacturing, looking for 17.6. Prior was 19.5. And then at 9 o'clock, Tick long-term purchases, looking for 29.3. Prior was 17.9. And at 10 o'clock, looking for the important Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, looking for 11.9 versus 10.2. Then at 10:30 we have natural gas storage, negative 58 billion we're looking for, and negative 80 was the prior reading. Least important would be natural gas, and I believe that is it. All right, and with that said, everybody, I hope you have an awesome night. I'll see you back here in the morning. Thanks.